Welcome to day 11 of my 100-day project. Here's a prompt card I picked for today, and I'm going to be going with weave. It's the start of a brand new mini, so I'm going to be using this blank piece of paper, and I also want to use this watercolor scrap to weave with. My idea is to cut slits directly into the paper, so the first thing I want to do is make some pencil guidelines. I'm using my most favorite ruler to help me with this part. Because it's clear, it's so much easier to use and more accurate. I highly recommend it. Now I'm lining the ruler to the pencil lines and making sure the bottom is parallel with the bottom edge of the paper. And I'm going in for the first cut. This paper is pretty thick, so I was trying to press hard and go slow. And after a while, this is what I ended up with. I made the slits slightly wider than the paper I'm going to be weaving through. And before I cut the strip down to size, I'm just checking to see which end I want to use. Now it's finally time for the fun part of weaving, which was actually harder than I thought it would be. I think it's because I didn't want to cut the slits too wide, so it was a pretty tight fit. And then when you're pushing the paper, you don't want to bend it, so you have to be careful. I went with a slow and steady approach and finally got the whole piece woven through. And that's day 11, which is also the first mark on our second mini. Thank you for being here, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow for day 12.